Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how you can segment a mouse knee scanned in a micro-CT. So let's open the 3D view here, and now you can see the mouse knee. And let's set some fixed windowing settings here, maybe like this. And so here you can see a lot of bone parts, and now I'm gonna segment them and give them names. So let's apply a thresholding first, everything above 3000 Hounsfield units, for example. And now we can fetch individual bones here with certain tools. So we can, for example, add the fibula, and we can try this tool here and fetch it. So that's this one. But now there are a few parts left, so it is a bit better to use this tool here. You can kind of grab it in 3D like this. Now I caught a bit too much here, so let's kind of go backwards like this. Now let's split off here the tibia. So we add a class tibia and select bone as input class, and now we kind of grab this here, and now we can actually hide the tibia, and now it's a bit easier to go piece by piece and fetch these here carefully. Kind of cut them in 3D. And some you can pick also with this tool. And now let's try to get the patella here. You can try this. That worked. And now we can turn on the tibia. And now these little guys here, they are called fabella bones. Humans also sometimes have them. And we can give them names like lateral fabella. It's lateral because here the fibula is lateral, so more on the outside. So I'm calling this lateral fabella, and I'll grab it like this here. And now this guy is the medial fabella, and now the femur. You can pick with this tool, and let's hide it. So we have a lot of stuff left in there, so we can use this tool to grab like all the small guys. And now these little guys here, they are actually ossified meniscus parts. So let's call them lateral ossified meniscus. And we grab them like this. Actually, it's part of tibia currently. And medial ossified meniscus. like this. And now these small guys here, I don't know what they are, but I'll just call them small and fit them with these tools. So now let's show all the classes, and we have the segmentation of the mouse knee parts. We don't have the condyles yet, but that's a bit more complicated and good for another tutorial. Now we can get the statistics here, the bone statistics, like the volumes or the mean intensity in arbitrary units, but we can set the unit here to Hounsfield units because this was a calibrated scan. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.